आपके सम्मान को ना कभी झुकने देंगे हम। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे, हैप्पी टीचर्स डे, हैप्पी टीचर्स डे, हैप्पी डे, हैप्पी टीचर्स डे, हैप्पी टीचर्स डे, हैप्पी टीचर्स डे, हैप्पी डे।
Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all of you are keeping well. How many are present today? Only 38. What about Rajeshwari? Is she present today? What about Ashmita and Urbi? Are they present? Okay, so we will start our class. Rajeshwari, please tell me, what did we do last class? So we did direct and indirect speeches. Alright, today we will start with adjectives. So I am sending you 3 a mail, Ashmita, Urbi and Rajeshwari. Please tell if you have received it or not. You know, children, I did wish I could present the screen on my own. But children, I hope you remember, if you're speaking to me about, computer, then you are dialing the wrong number. I just can't help it. I just can't help it. Anyways, okay, Manan, where's your ear? I forgot to ask you anyway. Where's your ear? It's here. It's in my hand. This is your 3rd ear. So children, I hope the lesson of adjectives are clear to you. Tomorrow I will give some questions in Google Classroom and please make sure you all do it. Okay children, we will end our class with this. Thank you. And one of you, don't forget to send me the absentee list. That's all for today. Thank you.
Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Day.
गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग। तो कल टेस्ट है ना आपका हिंदी का? ठीक है, सब पढ़ाई वढ़ाई चल रही है। तो यू हैव टू बी वेरी सीरियस एंड सिंसियर, ओके, एंड बी वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट, ठीक है। चलो, तो सबको कोई दिक्कत नहीं है तो सिलेबस में नहीं है? ठीक है, वेरी गुड। तो अब मैं थोड़ा ग्रामर भी तो आ रहा है आपका, वाच्य और क्रिया विशेषण, मैं थोड़ा उसे डिस्कस कर लेती हूँ और रिवीजन भी कर लेती हूँ। अगर कोई दिक्कत हो तो बोल दें। तो वाच्य को हम जिसे इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं वॉइस, तो इंग्लिश में उसके 2 प्रकार होते हैं पर हिंदी में 3 प्रकार होते हैं, ठीक है। तो इंग्लिश में जिसे हम पैसिव वॉइस और एक्टिव वॉइस बोलते हैं, तो हिंदी में उसका 3 प्रकार जो है वो है कर्तृवाच्य, कर्मवाच्य और भाववाच्य। क्लियर? तो अब एक सेंटेंस शायद हो सकता है, राम आम खाता है, ठीक है, उसे कर्मवाच्य में बदलना है। कैसे? राम के द्वारा आम खाया जाता है। अब एक पॉइंट है, कर्मवाच्य में हमेशा सकर्मक क्रिया होना चाहिए, ठीक है, और भाववाच्य में हमेशा अकर्मक क्रिया। तो सब कुछ क्लियर हो गया? तो ठीक है, बाय बाय।
Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day.
Good morning children. Good morning. সবাই কি এসেছে? না, সবাই এখনো আসেনি। ওকে, ঠিক আছে, আমরা 2 মিনিট ওয়েট করি, তারপর শুরু করব ক্লাস। তো আজকে আমি গ্রামার একটু পড়াবো। ওকে, সময় হয়ে গেছে, তো 9:05 বাজে, আমরা এখন ক্লাস শুরু করে দিই। আমাদের গ্রামারে মোটামুটি সবই শেষ হয়ে গেছে, খালি দুটো চ্যাপ্টার বাকি, একটা হলো নত্যবিধান ও সত্যবিধান, আর একটা হলো ব্যঞ্জন সন্ধি। তো আজকে আমরা নত্যবিধান ও সত্যবিধানটা করে নিই, আমি পরের দিন ব্যঞ্জন সন্ধিটা করাবো, ঠিক আছে? ওকে, তো আমি নত্যবিধান ও সত্যবিধানে নিয়মগুলো লেখাবো আজকে, ওকে? আর আমি হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ গ্রুপে বাকি নিয়মগুলো পোস্ট করে দেব, সেগুলো সবাই দেখে দেখে লিখে নিও। আজকে আমি খালি বুঝিয়ে দিই এখন ক্লাসে। আর একটা কথা, বইতে অনেক নিয়ম আছে, সেইগুলো সব পড়তে হবে না। আমি যেই নিয়মগুলো লেখাচ্ছি খাতায়, সেইগুলো খুব ভালো করে সবাই পড়ে রাখবে, ঠিক আছে? ঠিক আছে, আমি তাহলে নত্যবিধানটা বলছি, কি তোমরা পারলে লিখে নাও। যে নিয়ম অনুসারে বাংলা শব্দে মূর্ধন্য হয় তাকে নত্যবিধান বলে, ঠিক আছে? মানে যেই নিয়ম অনুসারে বাংলা শব্দে বা বাংলা বানানে মূর্ধন্য বসে, দন্তেন্য হয় না, মূর্ধন্য বসে, তাকে নত্যবিধান বলে। তো এর অনেক নিয়ম আছে, যেই নিয়মগুলো আমি কিছুগুলো ইম্পর্টেন্টগুলো লিখিয়ে দেব, ঠিক আছে? তো প্রথমটা হলো রি র পেটকাটা মূর্ধন্যস্ব, এদের পরে সবসময় মূর্ধন্যস্ব হয়, যেমন ভূষণ, ঋণ, দূষণ, গুড, ইয়েস, বর্ণ, ভেরি গুড, এইগুলো সব হবে, ওকে? আর বাকিগুলো আমি গ্রুপে পোস্ট করে দেবো, যেটা বললাম, ঠিক আছে? আর কারুর কোনো কনফিউশন থাকলে আমাকে জিজ্ঞেস করতে পারো। তোমাদের মধ্যে কেউ একজন গ্রুপে এটাও পোস্ট করে দিও, যেটা যেটা আমি লেখালাম, তো তাহলে যারা অ্যাবসেন্ট আছে তারাও লিখে নিতে পারবে, ঠিক আছে? তাহলে আজকের জন্য এইটুকুই থাকুক, বাই বাই চিলড্রেন।
Thursday, happy Teacher's Day, happy Teacher's Day, happy day. Happy Teacher's Day, happy Teacher's Day.
Good morning, children. Yes, good morning. Good morning, good morning. So today we are going to study about neutralization. So does anybody knows that what is neutralization? Yes, Archishman? Yes, you are right. When bases react with acids, they form salt and water, and this process is called neutralization. Example of neutralization process is when sodium oxide reacts with hydrochloric acid, they both form salt and water. Okay, so children, today we discussed about neutralization. I want to give you a small homework. You will write any two examples of neutralization process and we will discuss that next day. I will ask one by one what everyone has written. So that's it for today. It's already 9:45 and we stop here for today. We will meet at the next class. So bye. Children. Bye.
Thursday, happy Teacher's Day, happy Teacher's Day, happy day. Happy Teacher's Day, happy Teacher's Day.
Good morning, class. It's 10:05 now. So let us start with the sum. Write down the sum. It's x square plus y is equals to 5 if x minus y is equals to 1. Starting to get the answers now. Rohan good, Raj good, Sid good. Okay, Rahul, just check your answer. It will be minus before the 24. Yes. Yeah. Oh, it's of the previous sum. Okay. Never mind.
Thursday, happy Teacher's Day, happy Teacher's Day, happy day. Happy Teacher's Day, happy Teacher's Day.
Hello. Yes, good morning, class. Hello, good morning. Yes, good morning, students. Good morning. All mics off, I said. Mute. All cameras on, students. I want to see your sweet, sweet faces. As I have my camera on, you also put your camera on. Mute, mute. No, I'm not going to hear any question. Yes, I'm going to hear your question at the end of the class. Wait, wait, wait. Have patience. Wait, 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 wait. Yes. Swapnil, please mute yourself. Manan, I want your camera to be switched on. Yes, good. So, where was I? What were we doing? Yes. Switch on your cameras. Good. Now, take out your biology copies. So, we had finished with the transportation of plants and animals, right? So, today we are going to do the revision of the classworks. So, take out your biology copy. No, Divya, I have not given any questions till now. Yes. Take out your copy. Write the first questions. Write the first question. Number 1. Write revision on top, classwork and date. Yes, I am waiting. Yes. Done? Will I say the first question? Yes. The first question is, what do you mean by the term nutrition? I repeat, what do you mean by the term nutrition? No, first you will write all the questions, then the answers. Yes. I'm waiting. Yes. Hello? Hello? You cannot hear me? What about the video? It's paused. I think I'll have to rejoin. Wait a second. Is it better now? Hello? Yes. So where was I? Okay, I had given you the first question. You have written the question, right? Now write the second question. Number 2. Where does heterotrophs derive their food from? Where does heterotrophs derive their food from? Right. Oh, it's almost time. Okay. Write fast. I'll give you 2 more homework questions and that will end the class. Somebody please type the 2 questions in the chat box. Yes. Somebody please type. I'm giving the 3rd question. This is homework. Okay? Hello? Yes. So the 3rd question is, this one is the homework. Okay. So number 3. Differentiate between red blood cells and white blood cells. Differentiate between red blood cells and white blood cells. Written? Yes, I'm waiting. Tell me when you're done. Done? I'm telling you the 4th question. Yes. What are during digestion? What are the simpler products into which the proteins, carbohydrates, and fats are broken to? Right? Yes. Done? Okay, so this is all. We'll call it a day. Anybody any queries? No? Anybody? Yes, Aditya Basu, tell me. So you want to know more about the insectivorous plants, do you? So I'm writing the question here. I'll just answer it the next day. Anybody any more queries? Anybody? Anybody else? Okay. So will I leave now? Okay. Bye children, bye. Yes, bye. Oh yes, I'll give you some revision work in the Google Classroom. Please be present that time. I'll tell you when I'll tell you. Okay. Yes, bye students. Bye.
Thursday.
take out your copies, write the questions which I am typing in the chat box. Ria, please mute. Noise is coming from your background. So, we were studying the transfer of the heat part of the lesson. Listen carefully. In this chapter, we are learning about transfer of heat.
Day, happy Teacher's Day, happy Teacher's Day, happy day. Happy Teacher's Day, happy Teacher's Day.
Morning, children. Good morning. Good morning. Okay. So today's topic will be Mughal paintings. Okay. Yeah. I think all of you know what about Mughal paintings. Yeah, you should know because you are now grown-up children. You should know. Okay. So, without any further more discussion, start your drawings and give date and topic name before starting drawing. You can take help from Google if you want. You can take help. Okay, children, I can't see you. Please turn on your camera. This is a long time not seeing you, your cute faces. Oh, so cute children, so sweet of you. Okay, now start drawing. Okay. Oh, children, I just forgot to tell you something that please send your drawings through mail. Yes, please send your drawings through mail. Yes, of course, all drawings. Yeah, okay. So, as fast as you can, please finish. Yeah. Okay, it's already time. So, we end up with here. Okay, we end up here. Please finish the drawings and submit it through mail. Okay, bye for now. Bye. Stay safe.
Happy Teacher's Day, happy Teacher's Day, happy day. Happy Teacher's Day, happy Teacher's Day.
Good morning, everybody. Only 35 have joined. Okay, good morning. Good morning, everybody. So now it is 10:05. So I will start my class. Please tell others to join fast. So in our last class we had started with the chapter 18th century political formation. So we had seen that there were some changes occurring in that period, and the Mughal Empire was also slowly declining, and there were many problems. Like we saw that the financial resources of Aurangzeb's empire by fighting a long war in the Deccan had depleted, and there were many other reasons for it. We had studied it earlier. So today we are going to see that there were some new states, emergence of new states. So with the declining of the authority of the Mughal emperors, as we have learned, Divya, I am in page number 142. I am in the old book. Please write in the chat box for the new book. Please mute your microphones.
Happy Teacher's Day, happy Teacher's Day, happy day. Happy Teacher's Day, happy Teacher's Day.
Good morning, children. Please don't talk. Today in a computer class, we'll start a new chapter, Formulas and Functions in MS Excel. So, please open page number 15, chapter number 2, Formulas and Functions in MS Excel in your entered book. Now, what is a formula? A formula is a mathematical expression that involves a operand and an operator to evaluate a result. This is a very important part of your chapter, so you'll have to read it very carefully. If you have problem in it, please ask me. Also underline this part of the chapter because questions will come from this part of the chapter. So please read this part of the chapter very carefully. So this is for today. We'll continue this chapter in the next class. Thank you, children. Good morning and thank you.
Happy Teacher's Day, Happy Teacher's Day, happy day. Happy Teacher's Day, Happy Teacher's Day.
Good morning, children. Yes, good morning, Rajeshwari. Good morning, Prateek. Okay, good morning, everyone. No need to write anymore in the chat box. Okay, so I wanted to share a very important notice with all of you. Why haven't the children of your class joined till now? It is already 9:03. The class starts from 9. You all have joined 10 minutes earlier, right? Then please tell others to join. Okay, so everyone is joined till now, as I can see. So children, the notice is that for your PT test 1, the syllabus is chapter 3, Our Changing Earth. Please read it thoroughly, and if you have any doubts or queries, please WhatsApp me. I have given the number in the chat box. Please check. Okay, so let's begin the class now. Okay, so children, I have given you an assignment in the Google Classroom. Please check whether you have received it or not. Okay, I can see many yeses in the chat box, so I think all of you have got it, right? Okay. So please do it and submit it within time. The time is given till 9:45. Okay, Pamogno I have got. Yes, Hardik I have got. Okay, Rajeshwari, I have also got yours. Others, please give fast. I'm waiting for yours. Okay, so total I have got 43. What is your class 10, dear? Okay, it is also 43. Then it matches. I have got from all of you. So, okay, children, I have got the works from everyone. You all can leave for today. So today's class is over. Bye, children. See you in the next one. I will give the link in the Google Classroom. Okay. Bye, children.
Teacher's Day, happy day. Happy Teacher's Day, Happy Teacher's Day, Happy Teacher's Day, happy day. आप जो पढ़ाएंगे हम बढ़ते जाएंगे, आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे हम। ना कभी रुकेंगे हम, ना कभी झुकेंगे हम, जो भी चाहे वो बन जाएंगे। Happy Teacher's Day, Happy Teacher's Day.
Good morning class. Good morning Raj. Good morning. Acha, yes, now can you hear me? Okay. Can anyone tell me that why so less number of attendants are here? There are only 9 students I am teaching. Raj is writing something in the chat box. Sir, there are 8 students, 9 including you. Okay, Raj, okay. Now let's start our class, okay. Now I remember that previous class I gave you a link in the chat box about the history of yoga. Yes, you are correct, Rahul. There is the English version as well as the Hindi version. Now, so how many have you seen it with your parents? Okay. Now can you hear me? Okay. So how many have you seen it with your parents? I told you to see it with your parents. Okay. So can you answer my questions? My first question is that who is the creator of yoga? Can anyone answer? Yes, you are right. Guru Patanjali is the creator of yoga. Now here comes my second question, that who is the person who spread this system of yoga to the whole world? Yes, you are right. Swami Vivekananda spread this system of yoga to the whole world. Who told the answer? Yes, you are right. Now, let us do some warm-up exercises. Yes, we are doing. I can see. Keep your camera. No need to worry about your camera. I know it is difficult to set up the camera in a position. Okay. Now sit down. Now do some asanas like Bhujangasan, Tarasan, Padmasan. Do. Yes. Now do the easiest one. Vajrasan. And the last one, Gomukhasan. Okay. So time is up, children. Bye. And one more thing I want to tell you that how many of you are measuring your pulse rate daily? Okay, keep measuring your pulse rate. Okay, so
Teachers Day, happy Teachers Day, happy day. Happy Teachers Day, happy Teachers Day.
Good morning, students. Have all came? Still not time. Okay, let's wait for some time. It's almost time. Why aren't everyone coming? Okay. Let's wait for some time. Today we will start a new chapter. Everyone take out your books, and we will see the ICR, and then we will write in our copy some questions. Please don't write in the chat box, please. Okay. Before that, our exam is coming. Everyone, please give the exam correctly. You have to submit the time on time, and don't hurry up. Okay? Thank you. Okay. Please don't write in the chat box. Okay. Can anyone present the screen about this ICR one? Don't fight amongst yourself. Anyone, please.
Happy day, happy Teachers Day, happy Teachers Day, happy Teachers Day, happy day. आप जो पढ़ाएंगे हम बढ़ते जाएंगे, आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे हम। ना कभी रुकेंगे हम, ना कभी झुकेंगे हम, जो भी चाहे वो बन जाएंगे। Happy Teachers Day, happy Teachers Day, happy Teachers Day, happy day. Happy Teachers Day, happy Teachers Day, happy Teachers Day, happy day. आपके मान को, आपके सम्मान को ना कभी झुकने देंगे हम। Happy Teachers Day, happy Teachers Day, happy Teachers Day, happy day. Happy Teachers Day, happy Teachers Day, happy Teachers Day, happy day.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, students. How are you all?
We are fine, sir.
How are you, sir?
Sir, a person named Vinod Tharu has entered our class. Who is Vinod Tharu? Sir, he is an online intruder.
Sir, we are in danger. Please protect us.
Okay, children, okay, calm down. I am going to remove that Vinod Tharu.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, children, it's my pleasure. And today we are going to study
చకరకచీచాచో చకలోరం గండో వండో లకరకటం అక్కో టక్కో ఇడిగిడి ఇడిగో ఇడిపాయ్ చికిచకచో గిలిగిలిమల్ సులుసులుమల్ మకరక హుకుబుకురే టుకుబుకురే చకలక బిక్కో చిక్కో.
who is doing this bambamole in the class?
Sir, I think it is Aditya Pushti.
Okay, now let's start our class.
Okay, sir. What will you teach today?
I have a doubt in Q basic. Yes, say dear.
Dear, she is not an animal.
Shut up.
Ujjan, catch the ball. Paper ball. Hooray!
What you all are doing, children? We should play together. So let's start.
Yes, sir.
So students, Pythagoras theorem is divided into... Arey! What have I told? I wanted to say that number system is divided into 4 parts.
Wow!
Respected teachers and dear friends, I am Ornish Chakraborty from APJ School Salt Lake of class 7A. On the occasion of Teachers Day, I am going to play tabla to show my respect and gratitude to the teachers. I am going to play the Kaharba Tal. First, I am going to tell the Kaharba Tal and then I am going to play it on tabla. So now I am going to tell the Kaharba Tal. Dhagge na ti nagge dhinna dhagge na ti nagge dhinna dhagge na ti nagge dhinna dhagge te te nagge dhinna dhagge te te nagge dhinna dhagge te te nakko dhinna dhagge te te nakko dhinna dhagge dhin nagge dhin nakka tin nana te te dhagge dhin nagge dhin nakka tin nana te te dhagge dhin nagge dhin nana terekete dhagge dhin Nagadhin, Nana Terekate, Nana Terekate, Dhagadhin, Nagadhin, Nakatin, Nana Terekate, Dhagadhin, Nagadhin, Nakatin, Nana Terekate, Dhaterekate, Dhin Tak Tak Dhin Dhin, Dhaterekate, Dhin Tak Tak Dhin Dhin, Terekate, Dhin Tak Tak Dhin Dhin, Dhage Dhin, Natage Tina, Dhage Dhin, Natage Tina, Dhin, Dhin Tata Dhage Na, Tinage Dhina, Dhin, Dhin Tata Dhage Na, Tinage Dhina, Dhin Tak to Neck. Tak dhage na tinage dhinna dhin tak thu nak tak dhage na tinage dhin dhin tak thun thun tak thun thun tak thun thì dhin dhin tak thun thun tak thun thun tak thun thì dhin te te tak tere ke tak. So now I'm going to play it.
Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy day.